Forgot your wallet but need cash right now? No problem, because with CommBank your phone is all you need. First, open the CommBank app on your phone and log in securely using your PIN or fingerprint. Once you're in, tap on the menu button, usually represented by 3 lines, to access the full list of services. Scroll through the menu and select the option called Cardless Cash to begin setting up your withdrawal. Here, you'll enter the exact amount of cash you want to withdraw and select which of your accounts to take it from. Double-check the details are correct, then tap the button that says Get Code to generate your unique, secure withdrawal code. Your phone will now display a special 4-digit code that expires in a few minutes. Is your key to getting cash without a card. Now head to any Commonwealth Bank ATM that has the cardless cash symbol, usually found on the screen or the machine itself. On the ATM's main screen, instead of inserting a card, tap the option that clearly says Cardless Cash. The ATM will prompt you to enter that 4-digit code from your app. Type it in carefully on the keypad. The ATM will then display the withdrawal amount you requested. Simply confirm that it's correct to proceed. And just like that, the ATM will dispense your cash. Remember to take your money and your receipt. So next time you're cardless, just use your CommBank app for quick, secure, and convenient cash access anytime.